It's funny, while I'm filming this, it's totally dark everywhere. There is nothing. And then this light just comes in. It's funny. Today, I actually want to share with you that I have a new offer ready, which is for the women only, and it will be around March when we will start. But the promotion is already open, so it's ready for you whenever you are. And this woman circle will be held online, which also means that you can join from all over the world. You don't have to be at a specific place. You can join from your bedroom if you want to. And it will be on Sundays, so perfectly, because that's the time when many of you are actually available to do the inner work. Now, this inner work is so much deeper than many people think, and it goes way beyond what you may have experienced in any other session. It's also about connecting back to you, but also connecting to humans who have the same values than you have, who believe in certain things, that is kindness, that is love, that is compassion. And that is also about being okay to be different, being okay with other perspectives, being ready to accept that there is no one who fully understands you, and letting other people be the way they are, accepting your reality, accepting their reality. But way more, it goes about, or it is about, really, really going deep within, because this world within can be very, very turbulent. And if you have been in an awakening situation where you all of a sudden start to realize that there are so many more things that you didn't know about yourself, you didn't know why you have so much hate or shame inside of you, and you have no idea how to actually clean that from your body. See, your body is remembering everything, and it will not forget, even though your mind tells you, oh, it's already past, you can drop it. But your body keeps searching for ways to remember you, and it's not to torture you, it's actually to make you present that this stuff needs to be healed, it needs to be acknowledged. And by simply talking about it, it's usually not enough. It's not enough to just talk. You have to feel it. Your body has to feel it, that it's time to let go. And so if you want to be in a circle where we all hold space for each other, if you want to be in a circle where you're allowed to heal, you're allowed to have a breakdown, if you feel the need to cry, you can. If you are ready to grow, you can. You see, it's an open place where people will accept you the way they are, or you are. And I find that so hard to find these days, because we all realize that we are indeed very, very different to each other, but then still are connected in some ways. And I want to rebuild a community that is actually there for each other. I have so many tools ready for you, and I can't wait. I can't wait to see you with me, with us in this circle. And there is a special surprise, which is you're getting actually a 10% off if you are ready to start this journey with us. And yeah, you find more information on my website. If there is anything open, feel free to text, and feel free to reach out. And with this said, thanks so much for being here. Thanks so much for doing this inner work in however way you are growing. I believe there is not one way. I believe there are so many different ways that you can do. And Yeah, with this said, I see you soon, hopefully. Bye.